Hello everyone! No. Hello, kamusta? This is Marion Pasia and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. Hello, kamusta? Okay. Fine. Hello everyone, this is Marion Pasia and welcome to my channel. This will be my first ever makeup tutorial video and lots of my friends are asking me to do one. Yeah, they're very curious kung anong lipstick na gamit ko and also yung makeup brands na ginagamit ko right now. If you want to know my secrets, just keep on watching this video. Okay, first thing first, syempre we need to start with a clean face. And I'm using the PUREDERM facial wipes para matanggal yung mga chismis sa face natin. Don't forget the neck area. And here's my receipt. Freshness. Next, to moisturize my face before applying makeup, I'll be using this Aloe Soothing Gel by Dewy. Apply nyo lang evenly on your face and then massage nyo lang hanggang sa matuyo siya. And wait for it to dry. Let's head on for our primer. I'm using the Maybelline Baby Skin Pore Eraser para naman lumiit ang ating pores and also mamatipay ang ating face. Next, I'll be using Pond's BB Cream. I'm on the shade Beige. I'll be using my fingers para i-blend sa face ko para mas mabilis yung application. And also, nagmamadali kasi ako tuwing umaga. Medium coverage siya and perfect siya for everyday use. Natural lang. After blending the BB cream, lagay naman tayong concealer. And I'm using Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. I'm on the shade 20, Sun Sable. Maglalagay ako sa under eye area ko, mga chismis sa side ng nose, around mouth area, and also sa nose bridge. Using sponge, blend it evenly on your face. And to set everything, I'll be using Loreal Infallible Pro Matte and I'm on the shade 100 Porcelain. And gagamitin ko yung sponge applicator. What I like to do here is I'll be pressing the foundation onto my face. Don't drag it kasi mas nakakatulong to para mag-last long yung foundation nyo. Pat ko lang siya sa T-zone area ko where it tends to get very oily. Grabe. Using the powder brush in this brush set. And thank you kay Pussy for these brushes. Blend ko lang everything baka sakaling may buo-buo. Punta tayo sa eyebrows. I'll be using the Maybelline Passion Brow. I'm on the shade Dark Brown. I'll be using an angled brush from the brush set. I will choose the middle shade and apply onto my brows. Follow ko lang yung natural shape ng brows ko Make sure na darker yung outer tails ng brows nyo compared sa inner brows nyo. And fill them in just like so. And punta tayo sa eyeshadow. I'm using Maybelline the Nudes palette, consisting of 12 earth tone colors. But first, contour ko muna yung nose ko. Using a fluffy eyeshadow brush, I will choose the light brown color. Lightly blend the brown shade on the side of your nose, just like so. This is optional. If you don't want to have nose line, just skip this part. And if there are harsh lines, blend it with a powder brush. Balik tayo sa eyeshadow palette. I'll be choosing this shimmery brown eyeshadow at ito yung ilalagay ko sa eyelids ko. Next, I'll be choosing the darker brown shade next to it at ito naman yung ilalagay ko sa outer corner ng eyes ko. Kunin ko tong darkest shade ng brown and I'll make a half wing sa outer corner ng eyes ko para magkaroon siya ng more definition pag in-apply ko yung liquid eyeliner ko mamaya. And brush nyo lang yung mga fallouts using your powder brush. And again, getting the same eyeshadow I put on my lids, ilalagay ko naman siya sa lower lash line ko to balance out the eyelid. Yes! For the eyeliner, I'm using Maybelline HyperSharp Liquid Liner and thinly line your eyes close to your lash line. I know medyo mahirap but don't worry, practice makes perfect. Fill any gap if you leave any. I'm using Maybelline HyperCurl Volume Express for my lashes and apply it just like so. Next, for my blush, I'm using Maybelline V-Face Blush Contour on shade of Wine. Smile big and apply your blush using a blush brush. And naglalagay rin ako ng unti sa chin, nose, and forehead area. Last but not the least, lipstick. This is Maybelline Creamy Matte Lipstick and this shade is Clay Crush. Sobrang love ko tong shade na to. Nasa coral shade siya, which is perfect for natural look. And to spice it up a bit, I'll be using EverBilena Liquid Lipstick. Toast of New York is the shade, and lalagay ko siya sa inner ng lips ko for subtle gradient effect. And the look is complete. Thank you for watching and I hope you enjoyed my video. Let me know what you think about in the comments below. Kindly like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on my social media accounts. Salamat!